When you create a sales line manually in a sales order that is based on a sales agreement, AX will search for lines within the sales agreement that match the information specified on the sales order lines, such as the product and the receipt date. If any matching sales agreement lines are found, links will be created between the lines of the sales agreement and the sales order, and the information is transferred to the sales line automatically. However, if an order line is added where no matching agreements are found and the line is changed to match the agreement, then the commitment must be manually applied by clicking Update Line and then selecting Create Link. I'll show you how to do this in AX. So I'll go ahead and create a new sales order from the Sales and Marketing module and then Common All Sales Orders. I'll click the New Sales Order button and select the customer. On the General tab, I can select the sales agreement here manually and click Yes to transfer the information from the agreement. I'll click OK to start the order and then add a line. I'll select the item number that I want to create the agreement for and enter the quantity. I'll select the warehouse and verify the unit price information. After I save the line, I'll use the More button to click Update Line and then Create Link. Here you'll notice that AX has automatically created a link for me. I'll go ahead and click the OK button to accept it. If I later decided that I wanted to remove the link, I can do this by using the More button, clicking Update Line, and then selecting Remove Link. You can also use the Attach screen to see which agreements are attached to this particular order. You'll also notice from this screen that you can see the minimum and maximum release information, the pricing and discount terms, and all of the other detailed information from the agreement. I'll go ahead and ship this particular order so that we can take a look at the agreement fulfillment report. So on the Pick and Pack tab, I'll click the Packing Slip button and generate a packing slip. I'll choose to do it for the whole entire order and then click OK. I'm clicking OK to confirm that I'm not going to print this packing slip. Now that I have delivered some of this item, I'll go ahead and show you how we can use the Agreement Fulfillment Report to take a look at the progress of our sales agreements. The Agreement Fulfillment Report is found in the Sales and Marketing module underneath Reports, Sales Agreements, and then Sales Agreement Fulfillment. When you run this report, you can select the parameters for the dimensions that you want to run it for. You can also use the Select button to filter it. For example, if I just wanted to look at agreements for the current month or last month. You can also filter for things like customer account or a specific sales agreement. I'm going to go ahead and run this report wide open to my screen by clicking OK. Here you can see a sample of what the Sales Agreement Fulfillment Report looks like. You can see the quantity that has been invoiced, released, and received. The remaining quantity will show you how much is left for that agreement. If you had multiple agreements or multiple items, the report would list the details grouped by each customer. You can follow similar steps in the Procurement and Sourcing module to link a purchase order to a purchase agreement and to print the purchase agreement report. Now that we've reviewed the functionality for purchase agreements, you can try this out in the following practice, and be sure to join me in the module review.